SEO best practices. Yeah, ensuring that crawling is allowed. Yeah, Google Search Console will help you do that, will help make sure that your website is technically sound. Making sure that your content is easily findable through internal links on your website. When you're creating content, not only do you need to link it internally, you also need to link it externally. That's where internal links and backlinks come in. In Google Search Console, when we want to know the quality of backlinks or how many backlinks you have, we come here, we come to links, you'll see the total number of backlinks, yeah, where we are getting our backlinks from, and then we'll show you our internal links. Total 144 internal links on this website, total 79 links on this website. So you need to make sure that you have internal and external links. Then you need to provide a good page experience. Your website needs to load fast. Yeah, your website needs to be easy to navigate. All the same things that have been true about traditional SEO. Then you need to support your textual content with high quality images and videos where applicable. Yeah, when you're creating content and you're creating something like a blog post, make sure that you upload high quality images and video, and then make sure that those high quality videos and images are SEO optimized with alt text. Yeah, Google is telling us SEO best practices. Make sure your structured data matches the visible text on the page. What this basically means is just follow our instructions. Don't try to manipulate us. Make sure that your code matches the information that is on the page. Don't try to game the system with black hat SEO. Then checking that your merchant center and business profile information is up to date. If you have products, if you're selling products and services, your merchant center should already be set up. As you said, Google's shopping graph is becoming more and more important to the future of SEO, because during Google's I/O conference, Google said that a future is coming where Google will actually be shopping. Google's shopping agents will be shopping for people, and it will rely on its shopping graph, which it derives from the merchant center. So make sure that your merchant center information is up to date. Make sure that you have a merchant center. So many business owners who are selling products in Kenya online have not set up their merchant center. And if one of those is you, a clear sign that you need my help. So I'm going to leave my number below. Just click it, chat. No commitments, no obligations. Just, I love talking to people about their websites. Let's talk about your website. Let's talk about your business. What do you have to lose? Just get in touch. If you want your website to be discovered by more people, or you're not happy about the position your website is at in the Google search result, you need SEO. I can do it for you, or I can teach you how to do it. And honestly, I prefer teaching people how to do it. I want to teach you how to fish. Yeah. So get in touch. I'll leave my number below. So those are some of the things that you do. Sign up for the merchant center. Make sure that it is up to date. Make sure that you have a Google business profile and that it is up to date. For me, Google at tag, Google is one of our best sources of leads. Yeah, I love Google. It is one of our best sources of leads, and I make sure that I keep our Google profile updated because I rely on it. See, last published 4 hours ago. So make sure that your Google business information is up to date and it is maintained and optimized. Yeah. Make sure that you measure the performance of your site. Just like the rest of search results pages, sites appearing in AI features such as AI overviews and AI mode are included in overall search traffic in Search Console. In particular, they are reported on in the performance report within the web search type. So it is telling us under Search Console, we come to performance, and then it will tell us how this our website is performing in Google search, specifically in AI overviews. And then right here, customize your performance report using AI. You can come here and tell it, tell me how my homepage performed on Google search in this month. Tell me how my homepage is performing in Google search, and which pages should I work on first to rank number one or outrank my competitors. Yeah, AI mode. I can't see where exactly we're supposed to generate results, but it has AI mode, and then you can conversate with Google. I don't know why it's not working. So under performance, soon we'll be able to see how our websites are performing, how our websites and online stores are performing in Google search. So The long and short of it is, if you want your website or online store to appear in Google search, do traditional SEO and do it well. Yeah. Keep doing traditional SEO. Keep creating helpful, reliable, people fast content. And when you do that, you increase your chances of appearing in AI overviews. I hope I have made sense. And thank you so much for watching. Again, reach out to me if you have any questions about SEO. I like chatting with people directly, so I'll leave my number down below and reach out and we'll talk. And I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching.